She asked you if you took her car or if you know where it is, and you told her no. Why would I take your car?
So why would you have us come all the way out here?
What started as a simple favor between friends ended with two women in handcuffs. On May 4th, 2023, police arrested two women for car theft, but they claimed they had no idea they were stealing anything. Their friend told them to retrieve the car. What they didn't know was that the vehicle had already been sold. Bodycam footage shows the moment they realized they may have been set up.
Hey, Sheriff's Office, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! All right, take over. Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Hey, one at a time, guys, one at a time. Huh?
Step back, step back, step back. Up against the car. Hands on the car. Set your phone down.
It's hot. Do I gotta
Set
touch
your
it?
phone down. Up against the car. Who else is with you? Just y'all two? She said it's just them two. Come back here. Hey, Traeger, you take her? I didn't search her or anything yet.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
did you guys see anyone else with these two or no? Just them two?
y'all.
Okay. All right. That's a stolen car.
Oh gosh, we just all at the same time.
Okay. You guys are in a different car here?
Yeah, we're in the van, minivan.
The white van right there.
Thank you. Appreciate it very
Yes,
much.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Do what? You're in that one? Appreciate it. We just want to make sure no one else is with them.
Is that alcohol?
Yeah, probably.
It is?
Yeah, there's a Red Bull over there too, but I'm pretty sure that
It's alcohol.
is it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, vodka Red Bull.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
No, there's more
You
alcohol
did,
in the
right?
car.
Okay.
Huh? There's more alcohol in the cup holder.
And I found a little bit of weed in the driver's purse, but nothing. Like a little bit of weed.
Mariah?
This is her.
Hi, this is Sergeant Weaver at the Flagler County Sheriff's Office.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. We are just north of Daytona Beach, and we are out with this black BMW that you reported stolen.
Oh, you are?
Yes, ma'am. Who is,
Yes.
we're just trying to, can you just run me through real quick how it got stolen?
Yeah, it was in the parking lot at my apartment, and I went out and it was gone. I have the keys and everything.
Okay. So you just had one key fob?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is Zaylee? She's the owner of the car?
Yes, that's the co-owner of the car.
Co-owner?
Yeah.
Okay. And Zaylee lives in Ohio, I'm assuming?
Yeah, she lives in Ohio.
Okay. Do you have Zaylee's phone number?
Yeah. I have it.
Have do what?
Do you have the car?
Yes, ma'am. I'm out with the car right now at Burger King.
Okay.
They still in Miami?
You said Daytona Beach?
Just north of Daytona.
Okay. Please leave your message for. I just tried to call her phone. It just went to voicemail. But yeah, I have this.
Can you give me Zaylee's phone number real quick?
Yeah, 440.
Have you talked to Zaylee since the car got stolen?
Yeah, she said she had no clue about it because I called her and she's like, please let me know when you find something out. If you look in the car, and my papers are in there of me on the car and her.
Okay. So both of you are on the car?
Yeah, you look at the in the glove compartment, you'll see the papers right in there, pink paper.
Yeah, there was no papers in the glove compartment.
Was there anything in the trunk?
In the trunk?
I don't remember seeing papers in the trunk, but I'll double check.
Okay, yeah, all the papers, and I even sent it to the police. They have all the papers. They
Okay.
have everything.
No, I'm just trying to figure out because the female that we're out with is saying that Zaylee told her to come down and drive the car back to Ohio.
I told you, I knew she did.
That's crazy. Yeah, I had the car. I had the car since November. I pay the car note every single month. I paid for the car. I paid her for the car and everything.
Okay, so I'm looking at the registration. I only see Zaylee's name on it.
Yeah, and
Send the picture of the
I have, she gave me the power of attorney of the car and everything, and I have the picture. I can send it to you.
So she did give you the power of attorney for the car?
Yeah, I have a picture of it in my phone, and the police have it.
Can you text it to this number I called you from?
Yeah, I'm about to send it to you right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I was so upset. I'm like, where is my car? And I can even send you the text message. She said she doesn't know where the car is. She's like, please let me know to find the car.
Do you have those texts also between you and Zaylee that you can like screenshot and send to me?
Yeah, I'm about to send it to you right now. And that's so crazy. Yeah.
We're just trying to. So I'll fill you in real quick. Obviously, if we don't want to take an innocent person if they were told to come down and pick it up, we are investigating. They're showing us text messages between Zaylee and them. But, you know, obviously if Zaylee's involved, then Zaylee could be prosecuted. But, you know, we don't want to take an innocent person that literally... But we're investigating. I mean, no one's saying that they are going to jail or they aren't. The female that's in it. But we want to do our due diligence and not just, you know, arrest them. So...
And I was on vacation, and I came back, my car is gone. I'm like, what the heck? Like,
does Zaylee have another key fob for the car? Do you know?
No, but I guess she has to if the girl has a car. But
yeah, there is a key fob here in the car. So that's
okay. That's crazy, and I just sent you the text messages for me and her, and I'm about to send you the power of attorney. The insurance is in my name.
What does the power of attorney type thing to say between you guys about the car?
Like, basically, she gave me power of like, to make decisions for the car.
And it was, like, notarized everything? Like,
yeah,
legit?
At the BMV, at the BMV office, notarized everything.
Okay.
The has it and everything.
It has what now? I'm sorry, the last part broke out.
The police, they have you uploaded for evidence.
Right. No, I understand that. Okay.
Sending that to you. Did you get the first one?
Yes, I got one text message.
Okay, I'm sending you the power of attorney right now and my insurance on the car, like everything. I've had this car since November, September.
I'm on the phone with the one who reported it stolen.
Yes.
She's sending... Okay,
Yeah,
so you've had the car since November.
Yes. And I've made
The one in Fort
payment.
Lauderdale has had the car since November. From Zaylee, yes. She has a power of attorney agreement with Zaylee that she makes all the decisions for the car. She pays for the car. Car insurance is in her name. She has texts between her and Zaylee saying, "Did you take my car?" And Zaylee's like, "No, I didn't come take your car. Like, I don't know who has your car. Like, keep me updated if you find your car." And she's sending me the power... Oh, that's what you have, the pink paper?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, we did find the power of attorney.
Yes.
And was that in the car?
Yeah, it's in the car.
We did find the power of attorney agreement in the car.
So when did she report?
And that was for Ohio DMV. You reported it stolen 2 days ago, you said? You got home from vacation and it was gone?
Yesterday, I reported it stolen. I got home yesterday.
You got home yesterday and it was stolen?
Yes, it was stolen out of my parking lot. I was going crazy, calling every tow company, everything.
Okay. She had the only key fob. Zaylee didn't even have a key fob, she said, for it.
Yeah, I have a key.
Are there any more text messages, or was that the last one where it says, why would I do that? What you talking about?
Yeah, and I had called her. I was calling her, and then we talked on the phone. She was like, no, I just got off work. I'm in Ohio. I would never do that. Like,
can you, what's the one above it where it's kind of cut off, where it says, just put it towards the principal. I just want to make sure we're good with everything. And once the car is paid off, you're still going to switch the title over to me.
Yes, that's what we were. That's what
Can you send me that full thing before, because it kind of shows that she's trying to get her own car back instead of giving it to you, you know, after it's paid off.
I'm about to send you the whole message. Yeah, because she said I missed a car note, and I told her I didn't. And she said they could repo it, and I sent her all the screenshots where I'm gonna send you where I paid. I just paid $2,900 on April 18th. April 12th, I paid $850.
Okay.
All out of. I'm gonna send you that too. I don't even know how they have my address because I never gave her my address.
Hey, I'm good. I'm good and okay. I didn't pay the March because I paid the $2,500 in February, so I thought that would cover the next payment. Just put it towards principal. I just want to make sure. Okay.
And I'm sending you the payments and everything.
So what brings you? You guys both from Ohio. You both have Ohio driver's license.
Yeah.
So what brings you guys to Florida?
My friend invited me. She was, I guess, something about a car. This car belonged to somebody back in Ohio. I'm just here for the ride along. A friend or a family member.
Okay.
And they wanted us to come back and retrieve it because whoever had it didn't want to give it back supposedly. So we were just coming to get it back. We didn't even know she reported it stolen. She told us she wanted us to come get it. You know.
Who is this?
I don't really know her name. I don't really know her name. You gotta ask my friend. I was riding with her because she wanted me to come with her. That's all.
But as far as you know, it's the owner of the vehicle.
Yeah. It's like Zelia, I think, or something like that. Zelia, something like that. I'm not really sure.
When did you guys get to Florida?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. And you flew
Yeah.
from Ohio.
Yeah. And we were supposed to got it towed down, but I guess he couldn't do it until tomorrow. But we had to go back today. I mean,
so
I gotta
what was
get
the
back.
process like for you guys to get the vehicle?
Huh?
Where did you get the vehicle from? Like how did that all go down?
He told us where it was, or she told him. He told us where it was in the parking lot. Her boyfriend. It's my friend's cousin. It's family. Yeah. It's her family member. It's my friend's family member. Right.
So Zalia's boyfriend, her family member, or friend, or whatever, is the one that had the vehicle in Florida, and then you guys were sent by Zaylee to come to Florida to retrieve the vehicle.
Yeah, bring it back to her. Yeah, because she can't come down.
Why can't she come down?
She on probation.
She's on probation. Okay. You know the boyfriend's name?
No.
Did you guys have any interactions with him whenever you guys got the vehicle?
No, I don't know him. That's her family.
No, I understand that, but did you see him or speak to him?
No.
I mean, so how did you guys get the car? You just found the car,
No,
got in and drove away?
She had the key. We got the key from her before we flew out here.
Okay.
And then when we got out here, went in the parking lot where she told us, press the alert, found it.
Okay.
Hello, this is Sergeant Weaver.
Hi, I'm calling because I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my friends. They got pulled over in my car.
Okay, is this Zaylee?
And I think now.
Okay, well, they were arrested.
Okay, why is that if they have my permission to be in the vehicle?
Because you signed a power of attorney for that vehicle over to Mariah.
I did not. I called the DMV and asked about the paperwork because that's where I filled it out. And we didn't turn it into the BC. That's not even notarized. The paperwork was only for her to be with stickers.
Okay, how come in text messages? How come in text messages from Mariah to you, she asked you if you took her car, or if you know where it is, and you told her no? Why would I take your car?
What I'm saying is, what's going to happen now? Where is the vehicle? Because me and Mariah made a deal.
The vehicle's getting towed, and it's... She sent me screenshots of her... She sent me screenshots that she paid $2,400 for in February, and just paid again last month in April.
She did it with a stolen credit card and it charged back, so now my account is right back at $2,400. So
did you report that?
If that's the problem right there, nobody didn't report that because I'm not trying to get the police involved. So I just sent my friends out there to go pick it up, and then we were going to take care. I just don't want to pay the car and not have the car.
But the car is being turned over to Mariah because she has power of attorney paperwork signed by you, saying that she has the car.
And it's not notarized, though. What is trying to need that paperwork to be notarized? And it has to be notarized with both of us in front of the...
Okay, I don't have the paperwork here with me. It got taken in evidence. You can't just send your friends down and do like a private repo kind of thing. It's not how the law works. And then when your friend asks you if you know who has her car, you lie to her and you say no, then your friend reports it stolen to the police instead of you saying, yes, my friends have my car, I sent them down there to come pick it up and bring it back to me.
Someone moved this cardboard from this window and stole his puppy. Okay, so what's going on with my friends? When do they get bail?
When they get to the jail.
And how does that process work? Okay, so would they have one today?
They should have a bail, I'm not sure. They'll be at the Flagler County Jail.
Charged?
Yes, they're both getting charged with stealing the vehicle.
They didn't steal a vehicle.
Okay. I just explained to you that you did not handle this properly.
I didn't
And
know how
through our investigation, we found that they did not have permission to take it. So, okay.
You can clear me 18-9 and show me 51.
Oh.
She's hung up. So they didn't get in touch with Glenn?
I made them talk to her on the phone, but basically, Zaylee signed the car over to the girl.
So why would you have us come all the way out here? So we basically going to jail for stealing the car. And she ain't trying to take up for us or nothing?
She was. She was basically saying that it was her shit. They see everything was adding up, but they going by at the end of the day, the line type shit.
Deseria Dupree was charged with grand theft and marijuana possession. Sapphire Craig was also charged with grand theft. Let me know in the comments. Do you think they were set up, or should they have verified the situation before taking the car? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.